Yo, what's up? It's me again, Josh, JP. I want to share how I've been getting online clients. So, online has been an absolute disaster for me ever since the gym's closed. I paid a lot of money on online courses and not much was happening. I was coming across the same excuses for months. I basically took 18 months of L's. 18 months of L's of this not working. But I found a little way that worked for me, and the answer is YouTube. Because YouTube, same way you're probably watching this now, people are looking for solutions to problems. And the thing about YouTube, it's a slow burner. Like, you can be lucky and blow up, but it takes a long time. I've got 3 YouTube channels right now. I've got this one, which has got about 330 subscribers, probably my longest one. I've had it since about 2018. But the thing is that, it's only got 300 subscribers, but I do get inquiries quite often. I've got another one which has got almost 800 subscribers now, and I get inquiries multiple times a week. And I've got another one which has got about 140 subscribers, so early days with that one. But the thing is, if your content is relevant enough, you don't actually need that many subscribers, and you actually get leads reaching out for you from all over the world. So I just got off a call with a guy from Sweden. I've got clients in New Zealand, LA, like different parts of the world. And YouTube has been a good way to reach those people. And it's free as well. So that's something to consider. And basically what you want to do, whenever someone has an inquiry, you basically want to get them on a call, on the phone. So I'll quickly give you a quick outline of the process so you can start implementing straight away. So in terms of the videos, you want to create a video and talk about your real reason for training. It's not about getting a six pack. It's not about building muscle, losing fat. It's what was the reason that got you in the gym? What was the real insecurity that got you there? Because that's where you connect with people. That separates. If a potential lead is looking at someone that needs help in the gym, they're going to look at the person that's right in front of them, or someone who teaches the class or is very accessible, the manager, or someone whoever they interact with first, they're going to probably connect with. But on the internet, where there's millions of trainers, what's the one thing that you connect with deeper than no one else can? So for me, my thing was I used to hate my body. I had a lot of excess fat on my butt and legs. I had a very feminine physique. So I talk about that. I talk about how I was embarrassed, how I felt ashamed, how I couldn't get girls, how I, how I hated how I look, how I wanted to get plastic surgery. And people watch that and they're like, oh, I'm going through the same thing right now. But this guy's changed his body. Like, he's the one, obviously, out of all the millions of trainers, like this trainer might have a million subscribers, but this guy's talking about my specific problem. Like, how do I, can he help me? And that's how I've been getting a lot of these, that's how I've been getting a lot of these inbound leads. And that could be anything, and you can use this same thing, with other models as well, even Facebook and Instagram. So that's one thing, YouTube. Now, if you want to be more proactive and reach out to clients, there's a thing called cold messaging. So basically, where you just jump in people's DMs. I absolutely hate it. I hate it. I do not like it one bit. But, I've got clients that way. And the best way to do that is, so find a specific niche. So let's say, for example, you wanted to go to a niche of, let's say, guys that are into keto and you're an expert at keto. You go on YouTube, type in keto dieting or whatever, and literally write a list, get a pen and paper, write a list of all the names of the coaches that talk about keto. Instagram, find hashtags for keto, find all the list of names. Now, with all these lists of names, you want to follow these people. So let's say Facebook, add all these people on Facebook, because if they've got a business already running, their customers and their leads and their potential people, their audience is your audience now. So if you can just find 100 people, they call it the Dream 100. If you find 100 people in that niche, add all of them, and anyone who follows them, that's your market to go to. And the beautiful thing about Facebook, if you actually start a new Facebook, you add all these people, Facebook will start giving you mutual friend suggestions. And these are the audience. You have no idea, it's not like they have a badge on their name saying I like keto. Or they won't even post it on their profile. But if they have mutual friends with this coach, they're very interested in a topic. So I would say start a Facebook page from scratch. You can do it with Instagram as well. And with Instagram, you can do something similar. Just follow all of them. And then you can literally just one by one go through the people that are liking their posts, commenting, and just start adding them and just start reaching out to them. Find out what their goal is, their challenge, what the challenges are, what have they tried, and then try and get them on a quick call. So you want to get them on a 10-minute call, speak with them, and then you want to get them on a longer call where you go into real detail. And the purpose of the 10-minute call is a little screen to find out, their interest, and basically you want to set up and to sell on the second call. And with that, you want to send them a questionnaire to find out, obviously their current lifestyle, bits and bobs. But the last bit, you want to find out if they're actually willing to invest in coaching, so you know if it's worthwhile jumping on the call, that longer call, and you want to find out how serious they are as well. So this is a brief overview. There's a lot to it, but there are a couple methods. So one, YouTube, which is more inbound, getting people to come in. Make sure on all your YouTube videos you want to link in your Instagram where people can reach out. Most people reach out to me on my Instagram, and recently I've been putting a link to a call, but not many people book the call first without me talking to them on Instagram, which is totally fine. So the main thing, put an Instagram, put somewhere where they can easily reach out to you, or email address at least. It's like, a lot of guys, watching this will reach out to me on Instagram as well, and it's totally cool. And just pick a price that you want. I paid a lot of money to learn about high ticket, so charging like thousands a month, and I haven't really been doing that yet, but that's something you build up, in my opinion. You build up to it. But yes, enabled me to survive out here. I'm out here, a mix of online, a mix of in the gym, a mix of other stuff, and just living comfortably, enjoying life. Different to London, lockdown, cold, snowing when I left, raining, miserable, in prison. So yeah, I'm going to be doing more content. I know it's been a long time, but I just haven't I felt I've been taking so many L's, I just haven't had the motivation to post. I didn't even know what to post about, really, But yeah, we're back. Let's get in. If you've got any questions, let me know, and I'll catch you on the next one.